How to build rock-solid Equifax business credit and why it matters. Ever wonder why some businesses seem to magically attract funding, secure prime office space, and land sweet deals with vendors? It's not just luck or connections, although those can help. A lot of it comes down to something called business credit, and specifically, your Equifax business credit score. Context and problem. Think of your business credit score like a personal credit score, but for your company. It reflects your financial responsibility as a business entity. Lenders, vendors, and even potential partners use this score to assess the risk of doing business with you. A strong Equifax business credit score opens doors to better loan rates, extended payment terms, and increased buying power. It screams reliable and financially sound, music to any business partner's ears. But what if you're a new business or your credit score isn't exactly bragworthy? Don't worry, building business credit is totally achievable, and this video will show you exactly how to do it with a focus on Equifax, one of the major credit bureaus for businesses. Step 1. Establish your business identity. Before you can build credit, you need to establish your business as a separate entity. This means getting a dedicated employer identification number, EIN. Think of it as your business's social security number. It separates your personal finances from your business dealings. Next, open a separate business bank account. This shows lenders you're serious about managing your finances professionally. Step 2. Get on the credit radar. Now comes the fun part, building a positive credit history. Here's where Equifax and other credit bureaus come in. They track your business's credit activity, so you need to get on their radar. Here are 2 effective strategies. Vendor credit. Look for vendors who report to Equifax. Many large companies offer net 30 or net 60 terms, meaning you have 30 or 60 days to pay your invoice. As long as you pay on time, these positive payment experiences get reported to Equifax, boosting your score. Business credit cards. Responsible use of business credit cards is a fantastic way to build credit. Just remember, unlike personal cards, business cards often have higher interest rates. Pay your balance in full every month to avoid getting crushed by interest. Step 3. Pay like a boss. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised. On-time payments are the single most significant factor influencing your business credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Late payments can tank your score and leave a negative mark for years. Step 4. Monitor and maintain. Building credit takes time, but you can't just set it and forget it. Regularly monitor your Equifax business credit report. You can access it directly through Equifax or use a credit monitoring service. Look for any errors or inaccuracies and dispute them immediately. Remember, a clean report is just as important as a good score. Bonus tip, diversify your credit mix. While vendor credit and business credit cards are great starting points, consider diversifying your credit mix over time. Explore options like small business loans or equipment financing. On-time payments on these loans further strengthen your credit profile and demonstrate your ability to handle different types of credit products. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Building strong Equifax business credit takes consistent effort and responsible financial management. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stick to the strategies outlined here, and you will gradually build a credit score that opens doors to endless business opportunities. Call to action. Thanks for joining me on this journey to rock-solid business credit. If you have any questions or specific credit building challenges, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more business finance tips to help you take your company to the next level. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.